welcome to or back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of Simone and Adasia hair. I'm just going to be reviewing it fresh out of the packaging. Look how nice that is. I think it's so cool. I hadn't seen any hair come like this before, where you can find her at is on the sides. Okay, let's get into it. Now mine consists of a frontal and 5 bundles of hair. So let's look at that. Curly deep wave, 13 by 6, a 24-inch frontal. I am gonna open this because I really want to see it. Try to be quick with it. $13 by $6 once again. And bam. First bundle, 36 of the curly deep wave hair. Very long. Let me go ahead and put it up to my body in this video for anyone who will want to see that. Oh, I would like to say the smell of the hair, when I first opened the box, the smell of the hair remind me of like a new car or a new home. So I like it. It's still, I don't know, I just like the smell of hair when it comes. So that was very, I don't know, I liked it. Another 36-inch. Look at that. For how long it is, the ends look very nice. Very nice. I have been playing in this hair. For how long it is, the ends are very full to me. Like 36 inches, the ends are so full. Another 36-inch. This is the third bundle now. another 36" for 36" bundle. And another 36". Oh my goodness, I didn't know they were all 36". I wasn't paying attention. And then the hair does come, it has a cap in the box. I will be turning my hair into a wig, so I'm excited about that and excited about showing you guys that. So yeah, that's about gonna conclude this video. The hair is gorgeous. The frontal is gorgeous. Show y'all that one more time. Her one more time. That's what I wanted to say. And very, very soft. That's gonna conclude this video. I hope to see y'all in the comments under this video and in the comments under my next video of me doing whatever I decide to do to the wig. Yep, so I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, y'all.